Hey guys, just wanted to hop on here and show you today is January 27th, 2026, and check out this new asset absolutely free from Fab. It's really cool. I mean, it's like an entire medieval city and it comes with a lot of cool stuff, so we're going to check it out and the other stuff that's free today. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it is January 27th, 2026, and we've got some new stuff from Fab. I always look forward to this day every month. Let's see what we got. And you click on here, we have this medieval castle right here. And it's usually $11.99 for personal, and then for studios, it's usually $35.99. And for this month, it is absolutely free. And if you're a beginner to this, and check this thing out, this is really, really cool. But I've went ahead and got it and put it in my library, but I haven't brought it into a project, so I'm going to do it with you guys first. But this is like really cool. This is all the assets that we're going to get with it. Oh yeah, I might actually use some of this in my game. And check out the ramps that you can use, like, you know, the little walkways and stuff. Okay, yeah. So in order to get these free assets, if you've never done this before, you can just add these to your cart and buy them, and then they'll go to your library. But that's one of the things. Let's see what else we got. We got this stylized log cabin, which is usually $9.99 for personal use and $20 for professional use. And yeah, that's really cool. And I like the bridge too. I'm kind of getting a little bit of you know, kind of a animated type of feel for this, but it's really cool. Same there, just add that. And then this last thing, I'm not 100%, some light detection system. Probably ain't gonna go over that, but I haven't really read much into it. Probably not something that me personally I'm gonna use, but I know it's expensive. It's usually 60 bucks and 200 bucks if it's, whoa. Actually, yeah, 200 bucks if you're buying professional, and right now it's absolutely free. So just in case I decide to use it, I always add it to my library and check later. But for now, let's check out a few of these things. If you go down to your content drawer here, and I'm in 5.7 on this video. I know y'all been watching the tutorial series, and some of my other videos are on older versions, but I'm now on 5.7.2 as the making of this video. So first thing I want to check out, let's go ahead and let's check out this stylized log cabin. Let's add that to our project, and let's add this medieval castle to our project. Okay, and I'm really excited about the medieval castle like that. I think it's going to be really cool. And usually with things from Fab, because I've looked at putting a few things on there myself, I've got an account, I haven't done it yet. I plan on doing that eventually. Right now it's only available to my Patreon members, my stuff. So if you guys want to check that out and support the channel, we'd really appreciate it. But all right, so let's see, the stylized cabin is ready, and let's check out. These always come with, like, in order to put something on Fab, you have to put, you know, like a level with it. So let's load this level up and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the level that has like the different parts and stuff. That's not the one I'm wanting though. The stylized cabin level. This is probably the one. Let's give this a second to load. And please don't glitch out on me, Unreal. And there we go. Okay, that is nice. That is nice. I like that. Oh, and you also get, you know, a couple trees and stuff with it too, which is nice. And what is this grass here? This grass material that we get? All right, let's just press play and let's try this out. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, it looks pretty cool. I don't know, you know, there's probably not an interaction or anything on here yet. You can always add that. But as far as looking around at this thing, I mean, pretty cool. And I wonder, this isn't a tutorial, but I just want to check to see if we can use this little trick right here to get rid of that door. Let's see, right there. And if somebody knows a better way to do this, please tell me, because I don't do a whole lot of modeling or anything like that. So, but what I've learned is you can go through and like click on all these little triangles here, and we don't have to do this. I'm just trying to show you, you know, the cabin, but I want to be able to go inside. So, getting rid of all this. All right, and this is kind of not my forte of things to do. There's other things that I like to do. I'm more of your blueprint guy. So, but yeah, let's take a look at this, and we should be able to press delete and it'll be gone. Hey, there we go. All right, and that's still there. So let's get rid of that. Have to make, oh, I did not know you could do that. All right, so you can just grab it and you can just drag it and get rid of it. Okay, cool. All right, now we can go back to our selection mode. Hey. Okay, well, it didn't work. Well, wait a minute. Hey, never mind. That's a lot easier. All right, let's go inside and let's check this out. Okay, so yeah, just nice cozy little cabin. You got a couple little stairs here that goes up to this little upper loft area. So yeah, this is an absolutely free asset that you can get from Fab right now. And I'm not sponsored or anything by them or nothing like that. It's just, I think it's cool, you know, when they release this stuff. And nobody told me about this till I was doing this for like, I don't know, 6 months. But yeah, so that's a stylized cabin. That's cool. Let's go back and see, is that medieval castle? It's still downloading. So let's take a look at some of the different things that come in this cabin. As far as the landscape, we have in vegetation. Yeah, we got these little bushes here. Let's get to a little area here. Got these little bushes here that you can, you know, this little grass. That's okay. It's perfect if you're trying to make a game like this. I do like, holy crap, that pine is huge. I do like the trees too, because they're kind of low poly. And so it's not going to take up a lot of space. Yeah, that's the vegetation. What about the rocks? Very, very low poly rocks right here. You'd have to put that on with foliage painter. You can drag that one in. But yeah, I mean, it's cool. So, yeah, absolutely free. I mean, you can't get better than that for an absolutely free asset. And we didn't even see this up here. Okay, that's where the stairs end up leading over here. But yeah, so that's the cabin, guys, and that one's pretty cool. So let's check out this this castle. It actually has some blueprints. You know, it looks like just some candles and some torches and a spine layout there. Let's see, in the landscape. All right, it's got some landscape layers here. What else does it have? Meshes. Okay, balconies. All right, we have that. Oh, this is cool. This is really, really cool. Yeah, there's some balconies. Look at the bridges. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to open this up here in a second. Okay, and then the house parts. All right, so if you just want to build your own thing, oh yeah, this is definitely going into my main project. Okay, there is a lot of good stuff in there. And let's see, house towers. Wow. All right, got some props. A little bucket of apples here, baskets. Yeah, guys, this is good stuff. This is a great pack, a really good free pack. And honestly, with as many assets as is in here, you could spend, you know, a couple $100 getting all this stuff. So stairs, yes. Oh, okay, yeah. I'm actually building something in my game right now to where I was looking to find a good set of stairs, because stairs is something that's horrible to me. I hate messing with stairs. But yeah, I could probably use a couple of these, maybe that one there. Oh, and then the little winding stairs, those are really cool. All right, enough of all that. Okay, let's go and let's find our level. We go to maps, and here, let's click on this one first. No, we don't want to save this. All right, let's get this thing loaded up. Just give it a second here. Any day now. All right, now that all the shaders are loaded in, guys, this is a gem. This is absolutely incredible. I'm blown away that we're getting this as a free asset. I mean, just look at this. I mean, look. I mean, you have pretty much an entire village here. This is amazing. You know what? Let's just go over here. I want to give it the proper respect. And shout out to the guys over, who was that? Is it Dex Games that said that made this? Yeah, Dex Soft Games. Huge shout out to these guys. I mean, this is absolutely incredible. I'm just going to right click and I'm going to play from here. And, oh, it's like a first person type of situation. Okay. So yeah, let's go through here and check this thing out. I mean, look at this place. I didn't even notice this. It's like this little area around, and then the fences and stuff around. Like, I mean, you could build on this and do so much. All right, let's go through here. And let's go up the ramp here. And wow. I mean, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm blown away that we're getting this as a free tool through Fab. All right, and now we're up here to the main gate, and let's check out the town a little bit. Okay, you come in here. Got a few little rocks here. I mean, I don't even know where to go. I mean, this place is absolutely massive. I mean, look at the lighting in the windows. Like, you have windows that, you know, have lights on, windows that don't. I mean, this is amazing. Like, seriously, guys, if you're new to Unreal and these assets and stuff like that, this stuff right here could easily run you $400 or $500. And yeah. If you haven't done it already while you're watching this video, definitely go download this. I mean, if you don't use it for anything else, just, I mean, it's great just to have all these different assets here. Let's see. You come through here and it just keeps going. And I don't even know where to go. I guess that's the church over there. And for those of you who know me, know also that I'm also a pastor, so I want to check the church out. All right, if we can figure a way to get over there. Okay. All right. Oh, there it is. Okay. Not sure you can go in it right now. Anyway, let's check this out over here. But yeah, I'm just playing around at this point. Go pick this thing up if you guys haven't already. Like I said, I don't make anything. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Hopefully I will be one of these days, but right now I just do this to teach people and for fun. So but yeah, check this out, guys. This is incredible, and this is all for free. I mean, it's all for free. I mean, the detail, just, I mean, down to the chimney. All right, and look at this. You have a light on here, a couple lights on, and then the lights are off. All right, this is incredible. But yeah, guys, these are the new free assets, a couple of them that you can get from Fab. I'm not going to mess with that lighting one, but yeah, go pick it up. And as always, thanks for liking and subscribing. And go check out our Patreon. if you want some free stuff. Plus, it helps us support the channel. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.